Good morning, all of you. I think all of you stay happy today in this time due to reason that all of you are just coming and follow this video and you just learn something about science of class 8. Okay, so all of you just follow the chapters 1. The chapter's name is crop production and management. Crop production and management. Okay, so the chapter's name is crop production and management. So in this class we just only learn some important point about this chapter. I think that all of you already know what is the meaning of crop. Through the crop we get our food and we just take in every day in our daily life. So all the farmers produce crop. That means the production, that means produce. Which type produce crop? These types of question just present in this chapter. Okay, and management, that means which type crop develop growth, that means which types we just develop all types of crop. So these types of questions just present in these chapters and we just learn, okay, about management, crop productions. Okay, so first of all we just say something. The crop is the most important for all the living things and for also for us. By the crop we get all types of food materials and through this we get energy and we just do all types of work in our daily life. Okay, so the crops has two types. The crop is divided into two parts. One is Rabi crops. Rabi crops. Rabi crops, and other, that means second is Kharif crops. What? Kharif crops. Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops, that means what? Rabi crops, that means the crops, it's called winter crops. That means why we said winter crops? Due to reason that this crop, the Rabi crops, produce in winter season. Therefore, we just said that the Rabi crops is called also winter crops. Okay, and it is generally planted in June. It is generally planted in November and harvested in April. Okay, and some example of Rabi crops are mustard, wheat, desserts. Okay, so I think that you understand what is the meaning of Rabi crops. Rabi crops, it is also called winter crops, and it is planted in November and harvested in April. And some example of these crops are mustard, wheat, desserts. And Kharif crops, the Kharif crops are called summer crops. Why we said summer crops? Due to reason that these crops produce in summer season. Okay, and these crops generally planted in June and harvested in October in every year. And some example of Kharif crops are paddy, cotton, soybean. These are some example of the Kharif crops. Okay, so again we discuss Rabi crops, that means winter crops, and it's planted in November and harvested in April. And kharif crops, it's called summer crops and it's planted in June and harvested in October. Okay, and some example of kharif crops are soybean, paddy, cotton. These are some example. Okay, and I give some homework. You just follow this video, and what I say you just listen again and again. Okay, thank you.